Out the gutter, nigga. Off top, nigga. I'm from Beach Boulevard, certified ride or die, nigga. Nigga run up on me, I'ma leave a nigga dead or handicapped, nigga. Shit bag on the side of his hip. Cause I got this gun with this long clip. Don't make a nigga beach, baby, dip down Beach Boulevard, see a young loc skip. Take shots, nigga, you do flips. Gives a fuck about these motherfucking tricks. All I need is a thorough ass bitch. Young guns with motherfucking clips that hang out the window, smoke like endo. And I know they got beef for show. I know they want a nigga dead, but I'm ready for woe. I gives a fuck hardcore how niggas rolling. You can tell right now, G-Rod, the car stolen. I do a drive-by, what you holding? I leave your body on the ground, nigga, folding. Your mama says you ain't never hurt nobody, but you know what's up with me. I'm the Black John Gotti and I got animosity. It ain't no stopping me. You get curious, nigga, you move sloppily. And I'll put a slug right in your side. It'll take you a day before you die. Had that blood leaking on the floor. Your mama saying, nigga, you ain't ready for war. Now with that nigga baby loco, ride through and your daddy nigga smoke you. I know what's up, it's a joke to you. Yeah, nigga, until I come poking you. With that motherfucking gun under my shirt, I put in work and leave your ass dead on the turf. I was blue like a smurf. Yeah, nigga, that's the worst. Does that mean your loc set tripping? Do shots, nigga, you flipping. Now, ain't no guns like the ones I got. I clean and polish the motherfuckers, that's off top. If a nigga got beef with me, he probably shot. Laying in the gutter, I'll put that on my mother. I don't give a fuck, listen up, motherfucker. You fucking with a real ass nigga, don't duck her. Don't duck a nigga like me, I'm instantly right before your eyes. Now, west, I must confess, every day is hella hard, it's like an algebra test.